Imagine generating absolutely stunning, cinematic AI videos from scratch, for free, in under a minute. Sounds crazy, right? Well, welcome to today's explainer. We're looking at Google Flow AI. And honestly, it's a total game changer. It completely wipes out those old barriers like crazy expensive camera gear or steep learning curves. If you've been itching to produce top-tier content but felt blocked by the cost or the tech, this workflow is about to change how you approach creation. Let's dive right in. Okay, so let's talk about the speed here, because it's wild. 60 seconds. That is the absolute maximum time it takes to go from a totally blank slate to a breathtaking, fully rendered cinematic result. We are stepping into an era where your production speed is literally only limited by how fast you can type. It's just a completely new way to think about bringing your ideas to life.
So, do you want cinematic videos for free? Normally when we hear the word cinematic, we instantly think of thousands of dollars in equipment, a huge crew, complex lighting rigs, and just years of grinding away to master editing software. But with Flow AI, poof, those barriers completely vanish. You need zero camera gear, no editing skills, and absolutely no budget whatsoever.
Moving along to Section 1, the Google Flow workflow.
The actual process here is surprisingly frictionless. It's basically 4 steps. Step 1, just head over to labs.google/flow and set up your completely free account. Step 2, once you're in there, click on Create New Video. Step 3 is where the magic happens. Type in a prompt describing your exact scene. And finally, Step 4, hit Generate. Boom! In about 30 seconds, the AI processes that text and hands you back a fully realized cinematic video. It's literally like sitting in a director's chair in real time, instantly translating the thoughts in your head into high-end visuals.
Which brings us to Section 2, crafting the perfect prompt.
With this workflow, your main tool is really just your imagination. Listen to the specific details in a prompt like this: a young man walking through a futuristic city at night. Neon lights, cinematic style, slow motion. By using that rich, sensory language, really painting a picture with specific visual cues like vibrant, glowing neon lights or a sweeping slow motion effect, you're giving the AI the exact instructions it needs to render an absolute masterpiece.
And this brilliantly illustrates just how intensely versatile this tool actually is. I mean, you can command a sweeping 4K cinematic drone shot of a sunset over the mountains during golden hour, or, completely switch gears to a vibrant, bustling Pakistani street market at night, packed with colorful lights and a busy crowd in slow motion. You could go for a sleek, futuristic office filled with working AI robots, or even dramatic, heavy ocean waves crashing against rocks in stormy weather. Whether you want nature, action, fantasy, or business, the platform generates it instantly. All right, let's look at Section 3, the complete production stack. So you've got this raw 30-second AI generation. What do you actually do with it? Well, here is a complete chronological post-production pipeline to get it viral ready. And the absolute best part, every single step here is completely free to use. So you take your stunning Flow AI video, right? Then you bring it into 11 Labs to generate a highly realistic, professional-sounding voiceover. Next, you drop both of those files into CapCut AI, which will automatically generate dynamic, engaging captions for you. Finally, you just take that highly polished piece and upload it straight to YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. You effectively have an entire end-to-end Hollywood studio running right there inside your web browser. It's wild. Which brings us to a really exciting crossroads. When the tools to make incredible content are completely free and they literally take less than a minute to use, well, all those traditional barriers to filmmaking are just gone. The only limit left is our own creativity. So if anyone can be a director today, the real question is, what scene will you create first? Go check out labs.google/flow to test out your ideas.